Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. Piping and instrumentation diagrams, or P&IDs, are the standard for documenting industrial process systems, designed for professionals in chemical, petroleum, manufacturing, and process industries. We can now create P&IDs directly in Miro. Let's see how. Open a Miro board and click Formats in the left toolbar. Select Diagram and click anywhere on the board to place it. Click Add Shapes to enter diagramming mode. Look for Process Engineering and you will see 210 specialized shapes organized into categories: equipment, piping, vessels, heat exchangers, instruments, pumps, and valves. Let's build a basic process flow showing liquid transfer with temperature control. Drag a vertical vessel onto your canvas as your source tank. Add a centrifugal pump to move fluid through the system. Add a shell and tube heat exchanger to control temperature. Add a control valve to regulate flow rate. Connect these components using piping lines with arrows to show process flow direction. Your P&ID now shows source vessel to pump to heat exchanger to control valve. A standard process flow anyone in the industry can read. Add instruments from the Instruments section near relevant equipment. Label each with standard tags like TI-101 for temperature, PI-202 for pressure, or FI-303 for flow. Add equipment tags using text boxes: P101 for pumps, V201 for vessels, HE301 for heat exchangers. Label piping with line numbers including size, material, and service. Invite process engineers, instrumentation specialists, or contractors to your board for real-time collaboration. Use comments to discuss design decisions, or sticky notes to capture safety considerations. Once complete, export as a PDF. Go to the three dots in the top left corner. Click Board, then Export. Perfect for construction packages, operations manuals, or regulatory submissions. P&ID diagrams in Miro bring process engineering into your collaborative workspace. Subscribe for more tutorials on engineering diagrams and visual collaboration in Miro.